Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. Just a really brief, quick update. This is the bottom floor of the 1971 Ford F250 Camper Special. Earlier video we shared with you where the guys that have performed a lot of work with new metal, where they did the floors, the cab support mounts, and a lot of repairs around the windshield and rails. We were waiting for the cross member piece. It finally arrived, so they prepared everything and dry fitted. They modified it a little bit to fit in perfectly, and now we've got it installed. So what they've done is they've welded it in the exact same holes and areas that the factory did. Not to bore you with too much detail, but you can see the penetration, how clean the guys weld. And you can see the penetration, how far the rainbow colors go in. You'll notice there's bolts sticking out here and also on this other side, which would be the passenger side floor. These are the front mounting points for the seat. And then you've got other mounting points towards the back here for the back of the seat. So we just wanted to make sure we had it aligned properly. We used all the spot welds where they drilled out before, where the rotten guide was or cross member was. So now it's all welded in. You can see how nice it fits on the inner rocker panel. It's properly supported all the way along the floor. So we really like the way that looks. So what we'll do later on, now that all the metal work is done on the cab, we'll take it out to our other building and we'll media blast the whole thing. So this was sandblasted before and there's quite a bit of surface rust on it. So we'll media blast the whole thing inside and out. We'll get it all ready, and we'll probably show you a video before we apply the two-part epoxy sealer. But lots of progress on the cab, and I'll be working on the doors and the bed next. So we'll share with you videos as this continues. So this is the 1971 Ford F250 Camper Special, and I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.